makeup look, which I love. I am so obsessed. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And I have lipstick all over my hands. But yeah, let's go with the video. So first up, I'm using a concealer to prime my eyelids. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Now taking my Shady Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, I'm starting off with kind of a turquoise color on a blending brush and putting it towards the inner corner of my crease, just the inner part, and we're gonna try to blend it out more towards the sides, but of course blend it out all the way. Dipping into my Kylie Cosmetics purple palette, I am taking the shade Wine and Dine, and I am blending it slightly into the blue to make the ombre effect, but I'm also letting it have its own part and like time to shine. Now going to Totally Fetched by Too Faced Chocolate Bomb palette, I'm doing the same thing, and then taking Calypso from the Academy of Color Peach palette, I am just putting it on the outside, and I'm of course putting the colors on the lower lash line in the order they appear. Taking my Makeup Forever Flash palette, I'm taking this white shade and carving out my lid with it. I think this looks so clean and it's just the most beautiful thing. And off camera, I set it using a white eyeshadow. Using my favorite L'Oreal eyeliner, because it's my favorite eyeliner in the world, I am lining my eyes very thickly, like me. Oh, wait. I am simply going to be just connecting the wing like normal eyeliner. I popped on some falsies and we are ready to do the face. Taking the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which I just made a double chin, I am priming my face, then taking this Rimmel foundation, which reminded me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, so that's why I got it. I am simply just blending it out using a beauty blender. One of my recommendations with this foundation is make sure you put it all over the face because it'll look very splotchy if you miss a spot, and it's just, it'll look so messy. The makeup artist I'm taking Morphe, a contour palette on this beautiful rose gold blush, and I'm contouring my cheekbones with that. Using my Huda Beauty Pink Sands highlighter palette, which is gorgeous. I am simply just highlighting my face, making it lighter, brighter, and oh, look at that, shooketh. Now finally, I'm just putting on some lipstick, and there you go, we're all done. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!